morning, welcome to Becker Lake. We're about 40 minutes from Vernon and about 12 kilometres up a forestry road. The forestry road is pretty rough and steep. I recommend bringing a four-wheel drive up here if you can. Activities to do out here are ATV, dirt bike, fishing and some kayaking or canoeing on the lake. There's toilets and about 7 campsites and not many people around. Forest Servicery roads are possible to drive in two-wheel drive vehicles, but they are very, very rough and you should take it very slow. There are lots of potholes and steep hills and loose dirt. They can damage your car if you're not super careful. But the rewards are great, free camping and no one else around.
Hola, we are in Everly Campground.
It's about 25 minutes from Vernon, all on paved roads. This one is paid, it costs $14 a night. There's lots of campsites, maybe 30 to 40, and it's right on the Okanagan Lake. We've had some unfortunate weather here, but it's still very beautiful and pretty warm actually. Welcome to Kalamalka Lake Provincial Park. It's very close to downtown Vernon. Lots of trails, hiking trails and biking trails. Most of them are pretty mellow, but it looks like there's some harder biking trails that kind of split off around. Lots of uphills as well and beautiful lake views.
Hola amigos, we are in Ellison Provincial Park. There is a climbing area where you have a little bit of boulder, gear and sport climbing. You can find the guide in internet and download it for free. And also you have like a shore, two lakes with shore with benches, also a free shower, and then you have just up, you have a big camping where you pay $32 for the night. And you have showers and I don't know
Stuff. We are at Ellison Provincial Park, about to go down to the beach and check out some of the bouldering and the sport climbing cliffs. It's nice and hot in the Okanagan and not a cloud in the sky. This is the Lakeside Cliff, home to the best bouldering traverse ever. It has jugs all the way along the bottom of the cliff. It's V4 and V6 lower down on the worst holds. The landings are really nice and the views are incredible. There's nobody here as well, really quiet. We like it, hey Marta?
Hey. Sí.
Hey, We were taking the back road from Vernon to Kelowna when we found this provincial park called Vintry. We found a waterfall here called Vintry Falls. It's really big and powerful. It's like a mini Tataka Falls if you've been there. It's a big staircase that goes all the way up and around, so you can check it out.